Updating your payout destination on Capital One is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select payout options. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your destination. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout destination. Enter the required information, such as bank account details or payment method preferences. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout information, make sure to review it for accuracy. Click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages from Capital One regarding the update. Keeping your payout information current helps ensure smooth transactions.